All right, the drink we're about to make is called Connoisseurs Treat. Go ahead and fill up your rocks glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of cognac. And we'll follow that up with 1/2 ounce of dark rum. And 1/2 ounce of sour mix. 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce. Okay, you can use your small shaker here and shake it up a couple of times, just enough to get everything mixed together. And we'll garnish that with a lemon. And if you have a lemon peel, that would be better actually. Let's go ahead and make one here. All right, and we'll twist that in and drop it. And that is a Connoisseur's Treat, bottoms up.